Hi everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to see how to make Haryali chicken or chicken in green sauce, which is a very delicious and tantalizing chicken gravy preparation. It's also very quick and easy to make, provided you have the required ingredients. So friends, let's get started with the recipe. So here I have taken around 9 to 10 chicken pieces, and now I'm going to marinate the chicken by adding a small bowl of thick yogurt, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of salt, less than half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder. This is dry mint powder. If you don't have, you can use 1 tablespoon of fresh mint paste. Now rub all the ingredients and coat them well over the chicken pieces. And we will keep this aside for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Next comes the main ingredients of this recipe, which is mint and coriander leaves. I have taken 1 bowl each. Also, as you can see, I have kept the roots of the coriander intact because you get the strong flavors in their roots. Next, I have taken here 3 large garlic pods and a small piece of ginger. Now take a small chutney jar and transfer the mint leaves, roughly chopped coriander leaves. I have taken now only half of the coriander leaves. Then goes ginger and garlic cut into small pieces. The juice of half a lemon. And this we need to grind into a coarse paste first. And now I will add the remaining coriander leaves. And a splash of water so that we get a smooth paste. Let's check once. So as you can see, our smooth green paste is ready, and now we shall start with the cooking process. For that, heat a karhai or pot and add 1.5 tablespoon of refined oil. And when the oil is hot, we will add 1 large onion which has been thinly sliced. Now saute the onion well. The onions have slightly changed its color now. I'll be adding now 2 tablespoons of onion paste. I won't be adding ginger garlic paste as I have already added 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste while marinating the chicken, and also I have added ginger and garlic while making the green paste. By now the onion slices and onion paste has turned golden brown. At this stage I will add the marinated chicken pieces one by one. And on high flame, we need to fry them for about 5 minutes until they turn light brown. Fry them well from both the sides. Now reduce the flame to medium and keep frying the chicken so that they are coated well with the spices. We'll add the green paste once the chicken is cooked in order to retain the nice green color. The chicken is fried well now. At this stage, we will cover and cook the chicken for about 15 minutes on low to medium flame. It's almost 15 minutes and the chicken should be partially cooked by now. I will add the leftover yogurt based marination. Give a good mix. And now again we will cover and cook for another 5 to 6 minutes on medium flame. It's 5 minutes. Let's check the chicken. So you can see the chicken has let out all its juices because of the marination. And now with the help of a fork, I will show the chicken is cooked properly and is soft and juicy. At this stage, I will add the green paste. I've added a small bowl of the green paste and coat the chicken well with this paste. Keep the flame on medium and keep on mixing until it's coated well with the chicken pieces. After cooking the chicken with the green paste for 5 minutes, it will turn like this. I'll add now half teaspoon of black pepper powder or kali mirch and half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix this well with the chicken and let the chicken simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes. I will just add a splash of water because I want to keep the gravy thick, coated well with the chicken. Our gravy is almost done. Finally, I will add 2 tablespoons of fresh cream to give a rich and creamy texture to the gravy. Mix the cream well along with the gravy so that the cream combines well. This gravy not only looks good but tastes even better. And our Haryali chicken is now ready to be served hot. So friends, I hope you will try this tasty and interesting chicken recipe at home and enjoy with your family. I personally enjoyed this recipe with hot steamed rice, but choice is yours whether you'd like to have it with roti, naan or rice. Also, I would love to hear your feedbacks. And do like, share and subscribe to Continental Desi Kitchen for more yummy and interesting recipes. See you soon again in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.